यार बिनॉय, मुझसे नहीं होगा. I am not able to cope up with this work schedule.
I can totally understand your situation and this feeling, but कुछ बोलूं? ये जो भी तुमने अभी बोला, cope up is a wrong usage.
ऐसा क्यों? Usually people use cope up, right?
Very true. People do use and say this very commonly, cope up, and people think that it's correct. Are you one among those people who say cope up? If yes, be ready to correct yourself because cope up is a wrong usage. When you use the word cope, along with that, up with use karna chahiye and not up. So next time you say cope with and not cope up. So can you correct the statement and say once more?
Sure. I am not able to cope with this work schedule. Is this right?
Very correct. So next time you say cope with and not cope up. ऐसे और phrases के बारे में अगर जानना है, all you have to do is like comment us in the comment section below and we will come up with interesting and interactive videos for you. Till then, bye bye.
Thank you.